guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have some flowers to show you from BloomsyBox. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this large box from BloomsyBox just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazingly fresh flowers to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, this is how the flowers were delivered. I got this actually delivered to me yesterday, so I wanted to kind of open them up, get them in the water and all of that, because when you first get them, they're all nice and closed and tight, and the next day they look absolutely beautiful because they've opened up and they're just stunning. So before we dive in and I show you these amazing flowers and how they look and how I arrange them, let's learn a little bit about the company because it has been some time since I've showed them. So I just want to kind of refresh your memory in case you are interested in this for yourself or for a gift idea. I know gift giving is coming up, so this is the perfect time to show you guys a flower subscription. So let's learn about this company. Again, they are the BloomsyBox. This is a monthly subscription company with several different options based on what you would like to do for your own plan. They are seasonal, so you will always get the up-to-date color scheme for that season. Sustainably sourced bouquets sent from our eco-friendly farms straight to your door. Just choose your size and we will do the rest. All monthly bouquets include free shipping as well to the US. So you can do month per month, or you get one of them per month, which is $59.99 a month. Again, it's free shipping. That is for the original bouquet. They also have a deluxe for $69.99 or a premium for $79.99. So there's 3 different sizes for their monthly plans. They also have a weekly plan. You can do weekly deliveries or bi-weekly deliveries as well. They also have their exclusive collection that you can choose if you would like something completely different. There they have plants, tropical arrangements, and so much more to offer. They even have one that is pet safe, so if there's pets in your house and you're worried about them munching down on your flowers, they got you covered. There's even a coffee subscription you can do as well, so there's not just flowers. Look at that. So you pick your plan based on what size you would like and how often you would like it delivered to you. Once a month, twice a month, or 4 times a month. Then BloomsyBox will ship out the freshest flowers so you can enjoy them for weeks. They are expertly curated floral subscriptions and gifts sustainably grown and ethically harvested from farms worldwide. They also offer gift bouquets. So if you wanted to gift somebody a bouquet, just a one-time thing, or you can actually gift a whole subscription if you would like, but you can always go through and just get a regular arrangement of mixed flowers and do a one-time arrangement sent to somebody. So that's why I was saying it was great to let you guys know this now because of gift giving, especially even Thanksgiving. I know a lot of people, I used to own a flower shop, so I know a lot of people do send arrangements or bring arrangements for Thanksgiving. So if you wanted to send somebody a little something, you can do a one-time arrangement as well. So there's all the options. You can do a single box or you can do the subscription and get flowers every single month, every single week, or bi-monthly. So they have several different options and different sizes based on what is more convenient for you. So now let's go ahead and dive in. Let me show you exactly how this big box came because it's a little hard to show you here. Plus I've already got them in water. So this is how they came. So when it arrives down inside of this box right here. All you do is cut the tape and you lift this up. Down inside, it does give you some tips on how to prepare, to set up, and things to remember. It does have a zip tie down here holding them in place so they do not move or go anywhere. Oh, happy day. Yes, it is. So it does have a cute little card and it tells you that you can learn more about your flower arrangement by scanning this QR code. There is plant food there and there's actually 2 of them so you can use it throughout the time. And here are the flowers. Let's go ahead and cut the zip tie. Pull that off. Now you can see the flowers. Oh my gosh, I love those blue and the yellow together. These are gorgeous. And then all the ones with delicate petals are wrapped, so we'll pull the little stocking thing off of them, the little netting. But I just wanted to show you exactly how they are prepared, and now we're gonna go ahead and get them into a vase. But those are gorgeous. I love the different color roses, and that blue is just stunning. And now let's go ahead and get them arranged. One thing though I do want to say is towards the end of the video, I think I moved the vase over so you don't really see the whole entire top of it at the end. I do apologize. That's what I get for not seeing what I'm doing. But here is me putting them together. And look at them now. Oh my goodness, you guys. So when they came yesterday, even like all of these small little roses here were all super, super tight. Like the sunflowers and the mums were all tight. Now they're extremely like large. Look at this. Look at how nice and largely opened they are. All of them, even from the tippity top one, like these are just beautiful. Now I know yesterday when I was putting them in, like this little guy here is a greenery thing and it was like all pow. But when I cut the end off and stuck it in the water, not even like 10 to 15 minutes later, it was real. So it's all nice and large. You just needed, I guess, a little bit of water. But that's just how they come. They're completely just like freshly cut, straight to your door. And then all you got to do is just cut the ends just a little bit, stick them in the water, and you will be enjoying beautiful, fresh flowers. And they smell amazing. I really, really miss fresh flowers. Again, I used to own my flower shop. I opened that when I was 19 years old and had it for a couple years. I'm in my mid 40s, so that was quite some time ago. So whenever I can get flowers, get my hands on flowers, arrangements, things like that, I absolutely love it. And one thing with me, since I was in the floral industry and I'm like super, super picky on how I arrange things, I always even tell my man, if you ever get me any flowers, just put them like not in a vase, just have them like wrapped, or just like if you go to the store and they're just readily right there, not in a vase. Do that because I end up taking it apart and redoing it anyways. So to save all of that, I'm always just like, just give me the regular flowers. I'll put them in myself. So, and I love that. So these even came readily available and they were all nice, like grouped up. So if you didn't want to like break them all up and try to actually rearrange them, all you have to do is just cut the little stems in that thing, like all nice and tight the way they are in the bouquet, and just stick it right down in your water and you're good to go. Me personally, I took everything apart to kind of like rearrange it and put them in here. I love this delphinium. Oh my gosh, it is just beautiful. And again, that opened up a lot more too. It's just, oh, they're just so beautiful. I was just getting more and more amazed as the time went on yesterday, watching them just open. Every time I walked by them, they were more and more open and just more beautiful. I'm like, oh my goodness. So that's why, again, I wanted to wait to show you guys once they were all opened and absolutely beautiful versus straight from the box. Just give them a day and look at how gorgeous. Oh, they looked gorgeous yesterday, even though they were closed. So don't get me wrong. This is just absolutely beautiful. So there you go. Again, I wanted to show you these now because this is a great thing for gift giving, either to spoil yourself or for another. We have Thanksgiving coming up, we have Christmas coming up, and then Valentine's Day, and then it's going to be Mother's Day. Like there's so many occasions coming up soon. So if you want to keep them in mind, gift a subscription or gift a one-time bouquet to somebody, I will have them all linked down below. You can definitely go and check them out and either spoil yourself or somebody else with some beautiful, freshly picked flowers that they can enjoy for weeks. And they can think of you while they're seeing how beautiful they are and watching them open and just blossom and bloom. And It's just so gorgeous. And I love these colors right now too, because they're kind of fall, but then it has that blue. So I was able to put it in my cobalt blue vase. It's just super, super beautiful. I love all these colors. I love all the flowers. And that's just it. You will have a mixture, a surprise mixture of flowers, which goes with the season throughout the year. So it'll be color appropriate. And I just love that. So comment down below and let me know, have you ever done a flower subscription? Are you now interested in getting a flower subscription? I just love fresh flowers. So just knowing you can have a brand new arrangement sent every month is just, and it's so fresh, like from the grower, picked straight to you. Like they cut out the middleman. There's nothing in between. There's no time wasted, nothing like that. They're freshly cut and delivered to your door. All right, so I wanted to show you what they look like after day 7. This is the end of day 7. These opened up so beautifully. Like everything is just opened and is absolutely beautiful. I have like maybe one little droopy guy back there. It's just one of like the little spray roses, but everything else looks amazing. Like I can cut that one off and you would never even see it. Everything else is just beautiful. So I wanted to give you at least a 1 week update to show you how they're looking nice and strong. Every day I just make sure it's full of water, and only once I've cleaned the entire water and gave it all new water with that new solution inside. But that is how beautiful they look on day 7. So that is everything that I wanted to say and show for this particular video. Again, you guys comment down below and let me know what you thought about them. They're just absolutely beautiful. Like they just put a smile on my face. Every time I see them, I just smile. They're just so pretty and I just love them. So definitely comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew.